there are questions arising that what is the outlook for Nifty from here? Now, very interestingly, even in the backdrop of the lockdown that Prime Minister Modi has announced, you find that lot of fund managers are appearing on television, various business channels, and they are saying this is the opportunity of a lifetime to buy, and that such prices that you find are absolutely tempting prices, and you must definitely go ahead and buy at this point of time. These are very, very good prices. Very much encouraging that people should go and buy at this point of time. May I remind these fund managers that they have been saying the same for the last several years. Every time they appear on television, they say the same thing, that this is an excellent time to buy, that you will find these prices never again. Sure, they have fallen and they are talking a little bit more, but were they not the people who brought out the SIP method of investing? That invest month after month. For years and years you have invested, and today all those gains have been wiped off. So why invest in a SIP method when you can invest just today? At the rock bottom prices. And this phenomenon happens every few years. So why invest in a SIP method? So just to jack up the AUMs, the assets under management, and to give commission to the people and make sure that these fund managers are well pocketed. Friends, do not forget the fact that the fund managers further say that it is never easy to find the bottom of the market. So just because they are not efficient, does that mean that you should suffer and invest at high prices, and today you still invest? How will you invest? You have already invested, your money is already blocked, and now somebody is like, somebody has been telling you for years that these are great prices to invest, and now they are saying that this is also a good time to invest. Your money is already blocked. How will you invest? How much money do you have? Is it like a well? You have money like in a well that you'll keep investing? Friends, do understand that everybody has an angle. People who appear on television, they also have an own angle. So you must be very cautious when to invest. Yes, it is possible scientifically to find a bottom. You may not be able to find an absolute bottom, but a reasonable bottom is definitely possible. If you were to ask me, is this a good price to enter? Well, I would say there is a temporary bottom in place. The markets are definitely all over the world are now completely oversold. You will find some rally, but do not get carried away that this is a bottom where you can put the money and invest for next 3 to 5 years. Absolutely wrong. This is also not a good time to start a SIP. SIP is first of all one of the most ridiculous ways of investing ever. You find different points of time in every few years, you find that the prices do come down. If you keep following my videos, you will find, for example, now there will be some rebound that will take place, but very shortly again you will find another, even a lower bottom now coming up. Invest and again make money. If you want to make money, then keep watching all these videos. If you want premium content, subscribe to my videos. Okay, so you can write to me separately if you want premium content. Absolutely fantastic. You will get idea on an hourly basis how to make money. Now there's another question that if it's not possible to find the bottom, then why are you saying to invest today? You never know. You don't even know whether the bottom, so you're just guessing that this looks good, but who knows? For example, in 2008, it took almost a whole year to find an absolute bottom, and we found it finally on March 9, 2009. So go back to the great financial crisis and read the history. It took more than a year for it to reach to an absolute bottom. So what happened in between is there were many rebound rallies. I think you're going to see one good rebound rally coming up shortly, and then you can enjoy that money there as well. But is that the bottom? No, it's not the bottom. So I think this is a temporary bottom in place. For those people who are stuck badly in some stocks, maybe it's a good time to get out. Then people ask me that which are the good stocks to go for. Well, something like State Bank of India is fantastic. It is just half of what it was just 3 weeks back. Superb franchise, one of the strongest banks, very well capitalized, absolutely low valuation to its book value. By any parameter you see, it's a fantastic place to invest. So listen to that. Invest when there is difficulty. So if you have already invested all your money, today you have no money left. So how are you going to invest? unless you were in cash at some point of time. You have sold the stocks and today you're sitting on cash, so you can invest. But if you had listened to the fund managers, you had already invested from time to time. All your SIP money had already gone. So all your salaries, all your earnings have already gone in these various mutual funds and earn commissions for them. How will you invest today then? No more money left. So then now they're coming on television and saying invest money. You tell them they don't no more money left. Not possible. Okay. Akshay Kumar, the famous Bollywood actor, is extremely angry. He's angry that people are ignoring Prime Minister Narendra Modi's command that there should be a 21 days severe lockdown. Well, if the Prime Minister thinks so, we respect him, and people should abide by, in fact, anything that the Prime Minister says. It's well thought out. Narendra Modi is a very good at heart person. I'm sure whatever he says, well thought out. So Akshay Kumar says it's people are taking it very, very lightly, and he's very, very angry in his recently published video. By the way, I also viewed one of his recent ads for Fortune TV, Fortune Oil, where he used to be cook, by the way, I think before he entered into acting. So he's advocating make various kinds of sit at home, gar ka khana. He's talking about various pakoras, various burgers. What are nice things you can make with Fortune Oil. Oh, then I put two and two things together and realized that on one point he's saying stay at home, listen to the Prime Minister's command, which we should as citizens. If you are a citizen of India, you should definitely abide by whatever the Prime Minister says. And then do what? Well, Akshay Kumar has another solution. Look at his ad. In his ad, he says that make pakoras, make burgers, ghar ka khana, ghar jaisa khana. So, ghar jaisa khana, ghar ka khana. Sit at home and make all the pakoras, burgers, and enjoy your life. So, he has served both the purposes. His ad is saying ghar ka khana, sit down and make. And at the same time, he's saying that listen to the Prime Minister. So, listen to the Prime Minister's command, sit at home and eat Akshay Kumar's oil. Or rather, make nice pakoras with Akshay Kumar's oil, right? So, friends, I think we have reached a temporary bottom and this is a reasonably good time. But do not forget that very soon there will be another wave of selling. But this is a temporary bottom, means there should be some rally, some rebound. Tomorrow is going to be a little negative after 1 p.m. So do not go and buy early in the morning. Timing is all the key. Do not listen to the fund managers. Do not invest every month. SIP is one of the most idiotic ways of investing. But please bear in mind that there are good times, and you will, if you want to invest for the long term, a better price is going to come in. But if you want to invest for a short haul, or you want to sell off some of your stocks which are badly stuck, then you will see some good rally in the very short term, and that you may utilize to exit. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.